Hail Biafra! This is Biafra Liberation Army Network coming to you again. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Searching Biafran forest for Biafra Liberation Army, Nigerian police and their helicopter, as if they are sophisticated, as if they are well trained or well armed. They are now using helicopter to make sure that criminal Hopozodema is on seat. It's a shameful thing, things that happen in Nigeria. You won't believe it. But this is an eye-opener to tell Biafrans that so many forces are against us. So many forces. Yes. And if we don't take time, they will use intimidation and make us to surrender. But we need to be, strong and resolute, like our three leaders already, of course, Let Ojuku, Mazen Abdekano, and Simon Ekpa. These men are resolute. They don't even see Nigeria as anything. They face them as if they are just a piece of sand. That is how we should look at this empty entity called Nigeria. It is vast for nothing, big for nothing, old for nothing. Just imagine, all for Hope Uzodinma to come back to power, to continue in subjugation of his people, to continue in the killing, robbery, and falsification. Upon all these things, yet they have kidnappers all over. Kidnappers all over, but they will not use their helicopter to search the forest to make sure that there's no kidnapping. No way. They are even the ones aiding kidnapping as I speak right now. It's a shameful thing to Nigerian government, Nigerian police, that sham election that they did their selection. That is why they are using helicopter to fly up and down in Owerri, just Owerri, for you to know that Agwo no Makirika. Just keep watching, watch to the end, and you'll find out that these people are jobless and they are aimless. I'm telling you. You can see how the area was ghost town. Ghost town, confirmation that there was no people on the way. Highway during electionary period, nobody was moving, no vehicle. Everywhere was a safe war zone, like go and hide yourself. Everybody was hiding. When a criminal is on seat, people go into hiding. Opus Adema and Nigerian government, they are wolves. Wolves, and they are ravaging wolves. I'm telling you. So people are going into hiding. They've done their selection. Of course, this election result that they brought out yesterday was not yesterday prepared. It has been down since, waiting for any drama that will happen, whether people come out or not, they will still declare him the winner. And that exactly happened. So he is on his own, all right? We are on our own. That is how it has happened. Thank you very much, my people, for your time on this very channel. God bless you all.